Once upon a time, two famous inventors, Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla, had opposing views about what type of electrical current to use to build the electric grid. Edison preferred direct current, or DC, in which the electricity flows in a single direction at a steady voltage. Tesla preferred alternating current, or AC, in which the electricity flows in a wave pattern with varying voltage. There were pros and cons to both, but AC power was easier to generate and cheaper to transmit 150 years ago. While AC won that initial battle and became the standard for large grids in the late 1800s, a lot has changed since then in how we use electricity in our homes and offices. For instance, more energy is being generated locally, such as the DC power coming directly from solar panels. And batteries, which are strictly DC, are becoming a much more important part of sustainable energy usage. But the biggest change is the explosion of electronic devices that have become a part of our daily lives. TVs, smartphones, laptops, electric vehicles, LED lighting, just about anything that has modern electronics or runs on a battery uses DC power. Even big appliances that use AC motors, like refrigerators and air conditioners, still use DC inside for their smart parts. And in many appliances and tools, AC motors are being replaced with DC motors, making them quieter and far more efficient. Even at the grid level, modern semiconductor-based converters have made high-voltage direct current transmission cheaper and more efficient than the old transformer-based AC systems. So where is all this going? Another inventor, Anton Bakker, has some ideas.
I've been fascinated by the challenge of smarter energy use ever since I started working on my PhD in electrical engineering at Delft University in the Netherlands. I eventually moved to California, worked for several startups in Silicon Valley, and then started my own company, Yellow Power Systems, to focus on solar technology. But something was bothering me. We can improve components like solar panels, but much of our energy inefficiency is caused by the mismatch between our devices and our power systems. The DC flowing from solar panels must be converted to the AC in the house and then converted back to DC again to charge an EV, requiring a lot of conversions, which results in serious energy losses. And what about places in the developing world when there is no reliable power? Why would we recreate those same inefficiencies? That is when I realized there was a real opportunity for a better portable power station that provides more efficient DC power.
My dad set out to reimagine the portable power station. It wasn't easy, but once he focuses on something, he eventually figures it out. I remember watching him trying to use his first prototype to charge his electric vehicle. It caught on fire, and he just sat there staring at it, while I was the one that had to run and get the fire extinguisher.
I was thinking about what went wrong and how to fix it, which I eventually did, by the way.
Yes, you did. My dad is very resourceful.
Yes, well, I think we all need to be resourceful these days. And that's why I developed the MicroRaptor.
The MicroRaptor is the lightest, most durable, and smallest high-energy portable power station. It's 1/3 the weight and 1/5 the size of all other power stations in its class.
The converters in most power stations take up a lot of space and a lot of weight and are the least reliable component, often only lasting a few years.
They also require noisy fans, and multiple air vents expose the inner electronics to the outside elements. Dust, sand, a stray splash of water. There are a lot of ways to destroy a traditional power station.
By removing the DC to AC inverter and adding in our smart DC software, the MicroRaptor combines long-lasting, high-power output with efficiency, reliability, and convenience, all in a small, lightweight, and sealed package.
Our customers are usually resourceful by nature. They may start off thinking of the MicroRaptor as just a piece of advanced technology that's going to enable one, maybe two applications, but eventually they come to see it as a reliable companion, ready to handle a wide range of power needs, at home, at work, or even out in some remote place with no power at all.
And as a final bonus, with a MicroRaptor, You're always prepared for the unexpected.
What was that?
Just another West Coast earthquake. Whew, that's better.
Resourceful.